Okay, we're going to do the recording on SPSS here for number 7. Okay, so for number 7 here, let's set this up. Let's actually do it in the right way first here. Let's go into data view. Emily, just to exit out. No. No. Okay, let's go into variable view. No. Go into variable view. Let's set up our variables here. So let's make the first column the wording. Call the first variable name wording. Go into variable view and call it wording. After you do wording, go into values. Go into values. And what would you want to put in here? What will a 1 represent if you want to write it on your notes? What should a 1 represent? Beverly, any thoughts on what a 1 should represent?
The made contact group.
Yeah, for 1, and write it in your notes, that's going to be the made contact.
Made contact?
Yep, the term is made contact. How fast were the cars going when they made contact? So make that a number 1 and make a note of it. So add a 1 and put made contact. 1. Put it in here, Emily. 1 made contact. Nope.
Oh, I get it.
You'll get there. And how about a 2?
Bumped.
Yep, added in. 2 will be bumped. And 3, we'll say smashed.
Okay.
Nope.
Oops.
Add it and put a 3, Emily. Beverly, you doing this? Okay, so 3 will be smashed on your sheet. If you want to cross out the bottom line and put smashed instead of crashed, not that big of a deal. Emily, click on OK. And go back to, now we got to do the second row. What would the second row be?
The speed?
Yes.
Speed. Yeah, you can do speed est. Or speed, whatever.
Okay.
No spaces, Emily. No spaces. Okay, only 8 characters. Speed est, and that's it. And go back now to data view.
Okay.
You see how it is easier now?
Yes.
Okay, so let's put the wording in and actually make sure the value labels are on. Go into view. Go into view. View.
Oh.
View. And yep, they're on. Already has it. You're good. If you clicked on it, then it'll turn it off. So yep, you're on. You're good. So put the first 3 numbers. Put 111. And put 222. Nope. Not that way, Emily. It's 1 column.
Okay, that's cool.
Yep. 222. Huh. And we have a different spelling of bumped, don't we? And 333.
Oh.
Emily is really bummed by bumped. And then just
So what? It's spelling.
nobody cares. This isn't grammar class. You all get there. Okay, put 3s down here, honey.
Yeah, right.
Sorry, I'm your teacher. I'm not supposed to call you honey. Don't tell anyone. There are other nicknames. Okay, so put the speed estimates in, Emily. Beverly, Alexis, you want to tell Emily what the numbers are?
27, 29, 31,
Girl power.
30, 32, 34, 50, 51, and 52. Thanks.
Okay, so we got that information in. Beverly, is it working okay for you? Okay, so let's go to the next step. Let's actually go and do the data analysis. And you may want to write a thing or 2 down here. Go into Analyze. Go into Analyze. And it's Compare Means again. Notice the bottom one under Compare Means. There's a one-way ANOVA on the bottom. We're going to do a one-way ANOVA. And the dependent variable is speed estimate. And the wording is the factor. Did you do that already, Alexis?
No, I did that backwards.
Okay, or if you do it backwards, it'll still work, but you'll have it all wrong. Thanks for demonstrating that. It's actually easier in a way here.
Word
And
is
now-
factor.
Click it on OK.
Okay.
Woohoo! Let's take a look at this for just a minute. Does it look like good news for us?
Yes.
It does. Why do you say yes, Alexis?
Because we are below 0.05.
Yes, we are definitely below 0.05. Our F score is 142. Pretty darn good. The SIG is 0.000. So could you write that out in APA style? Let's try to write that out. Beverly, can you help us out here?
F.
F is
and
correct.
then
F, not T, Emily.
2,
F, comma,
S.
2, comma,
8. I mean 6, sorry.
2, comma, 6, yeah. It's the degrees of freedom numerator. You have 3 groups, so 2 degrees of freedom. Each group has 3, so 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. That's 6 equals, you got it, Em.
142.
142. Do you need the 0.333? You got it, Em.
Yeah.
No, you don't need
No.
the 0.333.
But is it okay if you do?
Yeah, if you really want, but
Alright.
kind of
You're
anally
supposed
retention.
to write a 6.
Oh, you're a little off there. F
Oh.
of 2, comma 6. Because it's numerator and denominator. Good job.
Okay.
Equals 142. And then for SIG, what would you write for SIG there?
You were right.
Bev-
That less than 1.
Nope. SIG
P
is
is
zero.
less than
Go ahead, Beverly.
P is less than 0.001.
Yes, if you ever get a SIG where it says 0, that means the computer had a rounding error. If it says 0, you write P less than 0.001. Is it significant?
Yeah.
Yep, it's statistically significant. So that's the good news. But the question here is, which groups were different? Does this mean all the groups are different?
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily. Do you know which groups are different? Why don't we try to get the computer to show us some means? Let's go back to analyze. Let's go back to analyze. And now do it again, compare means, and go one way ANOVA. And now, don't run it yet, click it under options. Click it on the right hand side under options. Let's click it on descriptives and do continue. And now run it. Okay. Notice what it added. What did it add? What did it give you? Yeah, it gave you the descriptives, which are on your printout, right? If you look at your printout, always good to run descriptives. I mean, you did this by hand, but it's got the descriptives in there. The means are the important things here, right? It's got the 29, the 32, and the 51. Does it look like all three of those groups are different than each other?
Yeah.
Does it?
Well, except for the first 2 are very similar.
Yeah, it seems maybe the first two aren't so different. Maybe I was just too loud. Like the neighbors were last night. Did you hear the neighbors last night at 1 in the morning? In your room? We did.
The neighbors on
yeah.
the...
On your side. Never mind. Anybody home? Hello. Oh. Building people.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, we just heard some building people. Let's actually, I'm going to stop this one here.